I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the Steam mobile app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update the Steam app. Make sure your Steam app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can lead to bugs and payment issues. Step 3. Clear app cache. Go to your device settings and clear the cache for the Steam app. This can resolve temporary glitches that may affect payments. Step 4. Re-enter payment information. Remove your current payment method and re-enter it. This can help refresh the information and fix any discrepancies. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If the issue persists, reach out to Steam support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on the Steam mobile app. Good luck and happy gaming!